Alright, so this is the sound the vibroverb is making. So I've got the reverb turned up. Right now it's not ringing. But if I play a note at all, you can hear the ring coming in. I've turned the volume on the amp all the way down. And it'll just continue to build. If I turn the reverb down, it goes away. Now, there is a buzz when I turn up the reverb knob. Not sure if that's related or not. If I push down on the top of the tank, I can get the hum to stop, or I can get the feedback to stop rather. But just not sure what's going on.